In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get up and running with HubSpot CRM in 2025 using a clear, practical walkthrough. We'll be covering everything you need, from signing up to launching your first workflows, all aligned with the latest best practices. This guide is perfect for small teams and is based on HubSpot's own documentation plus expert checklists. So, whether you're brand new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to create your HubSpot account. To do this, head over to the HubSpot website. Here you can easily sign up using your email or, if you prefer, your Google or Apple ID. The great news is, once you sign up, you'll be logged in immediately, and there's no need to worry about entering credit card details if you're sticking with the free version. It's as simple as that. Now that you're in, the next step is to configure your account. You'll want to navigate to the settings area. Here you can set details like your company name, brand logo, time zone, and currency. These foundational settings will ensure HubSpot reflects your unique business identity. While you're here, consider turning on two-factor authentication to enhance security and explore the data privacy settings, especially if your industry necessitates strict compliance. With your account configured, it's time to add your team members. Go back to Settings, and then Users and Teams. You can invite your team via email. As your team grows, it's crucial to assign permissions carefully to ensure the right people have access to view deals, marketing data, and so forth, without cluttering everyone's workspace with unnecessary information. Moving on, we'll deal with your existing data by importing and cleaning it up. Under Contacts, you'll find the Import function. This is where you can upload a CSV file, perhaps of your old contacts or leads. Double-check for accuracy with names, emails, and phone numbers to avoid duplicates, which can later cause confusion. Now, let's customize objects and pipelines. Head back to Settings, then go to Properties to add any custom fields you might need, like budget or interest. Under Sales, navigate to Deals, then Pipelines to define the steps in your sales process, from contact to demo, followed by proposal, and finally, closed won or lost. This helps everyone on your team understand the sales journey clearly. Next, make HubSpot work seamlessly with your existing tools. Connect your email, whether it's Gmail or Outlook. Sync up your calendar, integrate Slack, and if applicable, add the HubSpot tracking code to your website. This will enable you to monitor visitors and form submissions effortlessly. Finally, it's time to automate the basics and start using the system actively. Create straightforward workflows, such as sending a welcome email after form submission or assigning leads automatically. Encouraging daily use is key, so make logging calls, adding notes, and moving deals a regular practice. HubSpot Academy is a fantastic free resource to train everyone, ensuring even beginners can get on board comfortably. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll set your team up for success with HubSpot CRM in 2025, leveraging its full potential efficiently and effectively.